In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase lines in Inkscape. Inkscape is a vector editor, which means your lines are objects made of paths and nodes, not pixels. So erasing works a little differently than in a paint program. I'll show you a fast way to delete whole lines or shapes, and then a precise method for removing just part of a line while keeping the rest intact. Start by launching Inkscape from your desktop and opening the document that contains the lines you want to remove. If you like to work safely, consider using a copy of your file so you can always go back to the original. Once your canvas is open, make sure you can clearly see the lines you plan to edit. Zoom in or out as needed so you won't accidentally touch anything else. For quick cleanup, use the Delete Objects mode. Select the eraser tool in the toolbar, then choose the option with the red trash can icon. In this mode, anything you touch with the red trail will be deleted entirely. Click and drag over unwanted lines or shapes. As soon as the red trail touches them, they disappear. This is perfect for removing stray strokes or entire objects in one motion. Work slowly around areas with overlapping paths, and remember that undo is your friend if you remove more than intended. If you need to remove only a specific part of a line without drawing over it, switch to a more surgical approach. Select the Node tool and click the line you want to edit. You'll see its nodes appear along the path. To define the exact section you want to remove, double-click the path to add two new nodes, one at the start of the section and one at the end. Zoom in for accuracy and place them right where you want the cut to begin and end. Next, click the segment between those two nodes. It will change color to show it's selected. Look to the top toolbar and click the Delete segment between two non-endpoint nodes icon. It looks like a dotted line between two nodes. Inkscape will remove just that segment, leaving a clean gap while preserving the rest of your line. This method keeps your remaining path geometry intact and avoids affecting nearby objects. That's all there is to it. Use Delete Objects with the red trail for fast, broad cleanup, and the Node tool with segment deletion for precise edits. Save your work when you're done, and you're ready to move on with a cleaner, sharper design.